Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture number 2. In this lecture, we will see how to merge two columns in Excel without losing data using concatenation or concat. So for that, we need to follow some steps. These are these steps. Okay, we will see these steps after doing it practically. First of all, let's do it practically and then we will see it one by one. So for that, we need to go to Excel. So I already have some data in column A and in column B and I want to merge them in column D. I simply put a equal to sign and we'll just write concat and then I'll use this bracket and I will just select the column, the cell I want to merge, A1, and this comma and this mark and a space, then again this mark and a comma, and I'll select the other column which I want to merge, and I'll just simply close the bracket. And after pressing enter, it will automatically be merged here. And if I want to repeat this for the other cells, I'll just simply drag it. So here are they. And to record the data, to save the data, to save these names, I'll just simply copy them, copy, and here I will just paste them their value. You need to see that I'm pasting it by their values. Now in case I want to delete this column, this data will be affected but this will remain the same. So these steps are also shows this whole process. So first of all, open the Excel worksheet and select the cell where you want to start the merge column. Type the formula that is equal to concatenation or concat A1 and this comma, then the space, and then comma again and B1. In the cell, this formula combines the value in the cell A1 and B1 with a space in between. Then we have to press the enter to confirm the formula. The merged value will appear in the selected cell. Copy the formula down to the rest of the cell in the column by clicking and dragging the lower right corner of the cell. So these are some of the steps. Now here is a short note which says that you can customize the formula based on your requirement. For example, if you want to use a different separator instead of space, you can replace this space, this thing, with the desired separator such as comma and hyphen. So that is all for this video, and we will see the lecture 3 in the upcoming video with a new concept. Thank you.
If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe now for expert tips, tutorials, and tricks to master Excel like a pro. Don't miss out. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe today. And hit the notification bell to be the first one to know when we release a new video. That is the only way you can support our community. May God bless you.